Hello everyone, welcome to this short tutorial. Today in this short video I would like to share with you that how I have built my web application using Flask. We know that it's a very popular framework. First of all, I have created tables, and then I have inserted values into the tables, and then I got the year diagram. Now I would like to show you how my web application works. So here you can see that some of the endpoints, and here are some of the instructions which are I have done and it's required to do. So let's you can see my all the codes here, and let's run my web application. You can see here the link, so let's go this follow this link. So this is my front-end view, the index page. You can see here are 5 tables, and this is student registration system. So if we want to see for example, if we want to see for the student name as Brown, if we want to see his details, so then we can click on the view option here. You can see for a certain student, we can see the details here, course name, course number, section identified, instructor, credit hours, semester, year, and grade. And if I want to see go back and I want to see for Smith, then if I click here on the view tab, you can see for Smith the details are shown here. In the courses in which he has enrolled, and how much grade he has got. You can see here who was his instructor, you can see here too. And then if I want to show all the student details, then then from here, if I instead of a certain student, if I write all, you can see here it's for all the students details, you can see here. And then if I want to get the course information, specific course information, like introduction to data computer science, then I just have to click on the course number of that particular course. Like I am now pressing for introduction to computer science. You can see for CS1310, that's intro to computer science. The details are shown here. There is no prerequisite for this course. So if I go back, if I click for database, you can see there are 2 prerequisites for database. So by this way we get the information for a specific course. And if we want to get the information for instructor, like if I click here, I have some problems with this page. For instructor, I have to work on that. I have got now what I could do that all the instructor details here I have shown in this page. You can see I will definitely work on this so that I can get for every individual instructor I can get his information only. I definitely work in the future. And so if I come to this course table, if you want to get the course information, you can click here too. For data structure, if you click here, you can see for data structure all the details for this course, specifically for this course only. So these are the things which I have done. This is my all the project completion part. You can see this the detail statements and HTML statements. This is the year diagram, and I have added my all pages which I have shown to you. I hope this short video was very fruitful to you, and I could show you what the works I have done. I'll definitely work more. I have used SQL for queries and then I have connected the database using MySQL. I have used MySQL database, and I have used SQL query, and I have used this is a Flask based web application, and I have used Python as a programming language. So thank you so much, and please share this video, and please any comments is very appreciated. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.